Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I had a quick question on where the coolant temperature sensor is on the Mach 1, and it's actually going to be the same place on the 0304 Cobra. So if you follow the coolant crossover tube here, where it goes down and connects into the cylinder head is where you'll see that temperature sensor. So it just plugs in at the back right here. And so just by reference, a little easier to see on the 0304 Cobra, just follow that coolant crossover tube right there, and you'll see that temperature sensor down in there. So it's measuring the coolant temperature, and that's what you'll see on your temperature gauge, whether it's hot or cold. It's not very accurate on the Mustangs. It doesn't give you an exact temperature. It basically just shows kind of hot or cold or right in the middle. So anyway, that's where the coolant temperature sensor is. And I'll show you as well on the 2-valve GT, the coolant temperature is right there. So very simple, easy to reach place. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and check the video description where I'll put similar videos to this. And as always, thanks for watching.